How to redeem gift cards on Airbnb. So if you'd like to redeem a gift card on Airbnb, it is very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Airbnb app, and to redeem a certain gift card, maybe because you have them or anything, you want to come to the profile page first from the bottom right. So once you tap the profile icon from the bottom right, here you will see this information where you have to simply go to this option that says personal information. So under personal information, on the next page, if you scroll down under referrals and credits or whatever else it is under settings, you'll find this option called gift cards, right? So what you have to do is just tap on the gift cards option and enter the gift card number by going to the redeem option, and then you'll be able to redeem your gift card. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.